Welcome to the best picks. The best shower steamers is probably one of the most relaxing and rejuvenating additions you can make to your shower routine. These little wonders dissolve in your shower, releasing soothing essential oils that transform your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, clear your sinuses, or simply elevate your shower experience, shower steamers offer a delightful and aromatic escape. Number 5. Body Restore Bloom Shower Steamers 6-pack. This is the Bloom tube, infused with eucalyptus, mint, citrus, lavender, jasmine, bergamot, and chamomile essential oils. It's a perfect gift for anyone who needs a little relaxation. These shower steamers last longer than others, offering a luxurious spa experience at home. They are ideal for anyone looking to relax and restore naturally. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for unwinding after a long day, helping you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Compact and convenient, these are travel must-haves for on-the-go relaxation. They are perfect for taking a little bit of spa with you wherever you go. Spoil your loved ones with this perfect gift. Whether it's for Christmas, a birthday, or just because, it's the ultimate choice for relaxation and stress relief. What we like. This set offers a delightful mix of scents, perfect for any mood or preference. If you're looking for a versatile gift that caters to different tastes, this is the one. It's also compact, making it ideal for travel, so you can enjoy a spa-like experience wherever you go. What people say. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. The scent round dissolves completely and leaves no residue, so it's not slippery afterwards and there's no safety concerns for children or pets. Number 4. Vicks VapoShower Plus Shower Steamers. Introducing Vicks VapoShower Plus. This product transforms your shower into a soothing, spa-like experience. The non-medicated vapors are activated by your warm shower. This is Vicks' strongest non-medicated vapor product. It's specially formulated to give you a more intense sensory experience. You'll feel the difference immediately. Enjoy the trusted Vicks scent, now with 10% more of the proprietary blend of eucalyptus and essential oils, plus menthol and camphor. It delights your senses and enhances your shower. Using it is simple, just place the tablet on your shower floor before you step in. Let the warm water activate it until it completely dissolves, leaving no mess. It's perfect for any time of day. Start your morning with a burst of soothing vapors, or use it at night to relax and unwind after a long day. It's a great addition to your routine. This product is made by Vicks, the makers of Vicks VapoRub and other trusted Vapo products. You can trust this product to deliver the quality you expect. Looking for a gift? This is perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. Give the gift of relaxation and a spa-like experience. What we like. These steamers are infused with the strongest non-medicated Vicks vapors, providing a truly intense experience. If you're seeking a powerful, soothing shower, this is a great choice. The eucalyptus and menthol scent is both comforting and easy to use, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. What people say. These open up your sinuses and airways when you are congested naturally without medication. Plus they last for about 20 minutes in the shower and fully dissolve by the end of the shower. No mess or residue to clean up and they don't make your shower slick. Works great in shower and helps with conjunction. Number 3. Blriet Shower Steamers, Aromatherapy Gift Set, 8-pack. Looking for a great gift? This set is beautifully packaged, ready to give. It's a perfect choice for women, teens, or anyone who enjoys a relaxing spa experience. Inside, you'll find 8 different scents to transform your shower. Each one is designed to create an amazing experience, making every bath special. Made with the finest ingredients, this product offers a soothing experience without any worries. Enjoy your personal spa day at home. Developed by master perfumers, the scents are truly amazing. The fragrances will fill your home, creating a special and memorable experience. This product features a new formula with a stronger, longer-lasting scent. It has a higher concentration of aromatic compounds for a more intense experience. Create a spa-like atmosphere in your own home. The scented steam will envelop you, providing a serene and relaxing experience. What we like. With a variety of scents developed by master perfumers, this product offers a unique home spa experience. If you like a long-lasting, aromatic experience, this is the one for you. The formula is designed to provide a stronger and longer-lasting effect, ensuring a truly immersive experience. What people say. These shower steamers are powerful and really make you feel like you are at the spa. Each steamer is designed to dissolve quickly for an instant burst of aroma bliss, making them an ideal addition to your post-workout routine or for those quiet, I need a break moments at home. The scent, the feeling of being whisked away to a relaxed atmosphere makes it not just a shower, but an experience. They last a long time and don't disintegrate after just one shower. Number 2. Citrus Shower Steamers, USA made Aromatherapy. These shower steamers are handmade in the USA with the finest natural ingredients. They are designed to provide a refreshing and clean aromatherapy experience. You'll love how it makes you feel. Transform your shower into an invigorating retreat with the zesty scent of citrus. It will awaken your senses and leave you feeling refreshed and energized. Enjoy the uplifting aroma. Enjoy long aromatic showers with these generously sized shower tablets. They are designed to dissolve slowly, releasing their scent over time. It provides a long-lasting and enjoyable experience. With beneficial citrus essential oils and no artificial colors, you won't have to worry about stains. It's easy to use and provides pure relaxation and aromatherapy. Enjoy a mess-free and relaxing experience. Packaged beautifully, this makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a thoughtful present that anyone would appreciate. Give the gift of relaxation and rejuvenation. What we like. Made in the USA with natural ingredients, this product offers an uplifting and energizing aromatherapy experience. If you're looking for a refreshing start to your day, this is perfect. The citrus scent and long-lasting formula will transform your shower into a sunny retreat. What people say. Has made my fall showers extra relaxing and centering. They last for most of my 30-minute warm showers. They help so much when I feel stuffed up. They smell so good and luxurious. They smell natural and not at all synthetic. Number 1. Herbal Zen Shower Steamers, Peppermint and Eucalyptus. Looking for a unique gift? This is perfect for anyone, for any occasion. It is ideal for holidays, birthdays, or just to show you care. There's a blend for everyone. This product features an invigorating blend of peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils. It's designed to open your sinuses and support clear breathing. You'll enjoy a comforting, minty aroma. Transform your shower into a calming self-care ritual. Infused with essential oils, it delivers a luxurious spa experience in your own bathroom. It's affordable, convenient, and soothing. This product uses only natural essential oils, with no synthetic fragrances. You can breathe in pure, high-quality aromatherapy. It's crafted to support your wellness. Every shower steamer is handcrafted in the USA. As a small business, we personally oversee every step to ensure unmatched quality. You can trust the care that goes into each one. What we like. This product is designed to provide sinus relief with an invigorating blend of peppermint and eucalyptus. If you're looking for a natural way to breathe easier, this is the one. Handmade in the USA, it delivers a spa experience with pure essential oils. What people say. The tablet lasted the perfect length of my shower with the scent lingering in my bathroom for hours afterwards. The peppermint and eucalyptus aroma cleanses your sinuses and leaves you feeling truly rejuvenated. They are powerful and the aroma lingers afterwards, but in a good way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.